visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Another day, another reading. So let's check kung anong nangyayari sa mga buhay-buhay pag-ibig ninyo. And I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And I want you to know that this reading is also a timeless reading. So whenever this reading finds you, the message is the rightful message for you, no? So magsimula na tayo. The Eight of Wands. Mahal natin, hindi naman maitatanggi. Although kahit hindi na ganun ka hindi na ganun ka lakas, no, yung pagmamahal, there's still there's still emotion, no? Meron, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin ay, huwag tayo magpaka-impokrita dito, no? Kahit sabihin natin may galit, kaya nga tayo apektado dahil we still feel something for that person, and that person may, affect us indifferently dahil nga sa hindi natin din nakuha yung satisfaction na inaantay natin, no? And by that, we still care with the Hermit in here. So, kasi, hindi pa natin na-experience dito kay person, or hindi natin na-experience yung enlightenment, or up until now, we're waiting for that person's enlightenment. It can be that your person, pwedeng sabihin natin humingi ng tawad sa'yo, which is hindi pa niya ginagawa. You're also probably waiting for your person to what? Umamin ng kasalanan niya, no? Or it could also be umamin sa feelings niya. One thing is for sure, whether this is in a negative way or in a positive way, we are unsatisfied, no? Hindi pa natin nakukuha. Kung ginawa man niya yun in a negative way, wala pang sorry, walang paliwanag. In a positive way naman, meron kayong mga paglalandian, merong mga conversations, no? Nagsasayang na kayo ng oras, no? Which is tawag-tawag, no? Nagte-text na kayo, nagpupuyat na kayo. Unsatisfaction pa rin kasi wala pa yung commitment, no? Kumbaga, no label pa lang. The Wheel of Fortune. So parang yung heart mo is antay na, no? To experience whatever this highest form of abundance. Again, whether this is communication, commitment, clarity, what? Iwan ang third party, what have you, the Seven of Cups. Kasi to si person, I think that this is also a mirrored energy. Pwedeng si person madaming ginagawa, no? Ikaw naman madami kang gusto mo ring mangyari, no? Even though that emotion is there, hindi nagtutugma yung oras. Pwedeng your person might be in a different state or in a different country wherein hindi talaga parehas ang time zone. So, or may trabaho kang panggabi, may trabaho siya pang umaga, vice versa, no? So, ang hirap ibangga yung schedules. If that's the case, that's understandable. Pero yung nakikita kasi natin dito, kung marami ka rin gustong mangyari, marami kang demands, and si person, maraming ginagawa sa buhay, hindi talaga yan magbabangga, no? The Judgment and the Sun. I don't know kung sino sa inyong dalawa ang pinaka or ang madaming ine-entertain. There's someone here na pwedeng merong ibang ine-entertain, may isa pang ine-entertain, o maraming ine-entertain kaya hindi makapili, no? Hindi magkaroon ng isang concrete decision, ng isang straight na decision. So with the Princess of Coins. So parang kahit hint lang. So yun yung wini-wish mo, kahit hint lang, kahit na bigyan mo ko ng date, no? Hindi date na lalabas, yung date as in the calendar date, no? Kailan tayo magkakaroon ng commitment or kailan ka babalik para ipaliwanag to. It's not enough. I'm still feel unsatisfied, pero I will hold on to that word, no, for this to make it happen. With the Five of Swords. So kahit sabihin nating unsatisfied tayo, we are crossing our fingers, no, to win the situation, to win on this laban, to win on this relationship. With the Ace of Wands, I don't know who's very sexual in here. It could be your person. Again, it could be you. Wala namang masama. Lalo na kung meron kayong relasyon, it's part of the relationship. Pero something in here, clarify ko nga, the Five of Coins nawala and the Seven of Coins. Meron din dito yung mga naghiwalay, no? Lalo na yung mga nagpunta ng abroad. Syempre nakakamiss din naman, no, yung katawan ni person, no? Hindi man ganun kaganda yung katawan, but the passion, iba yung init, iba yung hagod. Oh, may namimiss ako dun sa hagod. Ayan, nga ba? Yan, tagal na kasing wala, no? Ang tagal na kasing walang passion. Ayun, with the Eight of Coins. So you're waiting. I feel like medyo matagal-tagal itong pag-aantay natin, sabi ni Universe. Kasi the Eight of Coins, parang sinasabing ganun is, nandiyan naman, no? You're working on things, you're waiting on things. Pero, in between siya sa pag-aantay pa more or pagpa-harvest na. So, nandun yung cliffhanger para kasing meron pa yata tayong kailangan gawin. Let's clarify on that, the Empress and the Four of Cups. So, siguro kasi, masyado lang tayo nag-aantay, no? Wala rin tayong paayuda ba? Wala tayong initiate, no? Or kahit bigyan lang ng signal si person. Baka kasi you're just waiting there on your throne and waiting for things to happen, no? Parang sinasabi ni Universe is not magic. You also need to do something. The Knight of Coins. So, ito pala yung ayaw mo may stuck, no? But if wala ka pang ginagawa or konti lang yung ginagawa mo, you're gonna remain stuck. So, yun ang sinasabi ni Universe dito. You have to do something. You need to exert a little effort, no? Para bang siyang barado sa lababo. Hindi mo kinakailangan distrongkahin, no, yung lababo per se at maging tubero ka. Mano ba man lang ganunan mo ng barbecue stick? Alam ko yan, naghuhugas kong pinggan. Para mawala yung bara, o kaya yung pangganon sa inidoro mo, o kaya buhusan mo na mainit na tubig, no? That little effort, hindi mo kailangan kalasin, no? Yung buong lababo para lang mawala yung bara. Remedy is needed with a Knight of Cups. So, ang nakikita kasi natin, if you're not going to take something, you're not going to initiate something, the flow is very slow. Although, kung ikaw naman din yung person na I would rather want to take things slow, slowly but surely, then this is the right path for you. Pero kung totoong sobrang inip na inip ka na, the universe is telling you, yeah, do something. Dun sa mga sinasabi na, yeah, I'm on the right pace, na sinasabi kong okay lang mabagal, you might be in a good position because matagal talaga siya, pero may offer, no? May offer. So, yun naman ang maganda. Mapapasayo pa rin naman kung talaga ding meron ka ring ego at ayaw mong kumilos, dadating pa rin naman kaya hindi ka kumilos, matagal nga lang, no? So, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, kung meron po kayong katanungan dito sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Leo, Libra, Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, Aquarius, Capricorn. Did I just mention Taurus? Yes. Pisces. Yeah, Capricorn is here. Nasabi ko na. Cancer, no? Aries. Yeah. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.